In Lee County, the battle against property predators.
Property fraud is something that I've learned is shockingly easy for criminals to exploit in our community.
A shocking rise in crime that Lee County Clerk of Court Kevin Carnes tells me remains a problem because
people report it to law enforcement, and law enforcement didn't have the information or tools that they needed to prosecute criminals.
In part because Carnes says the former law did not allow his office to reject fraudulent deeds. But it's now something he hopes a new state-backed pilot program can give his office the tools to help eliminate.
Which allows us to obtain government-issued IDs accompanied with a deed. So it is a change in process, but the goal is to make sure that we have a way of knowing who is filing the deeds. So if it's deemed fraudulent, law enforcement can do their job.
In the past few months, Carnes says the Lee County Clerk of Court has seen over 15 cases of property fraud, including fake deeds, forged signatures, and more. And across the state, that number jumps up to over 90. And it's vacant properties like these that the title boutique here in Cape Coral, they see fall victim the most.
The fraudster had gotten a fake ID, had the real seller's social security number somehow.
Owner Angela Petrick has seen it firsthand and says she had to play the role of investigator for.
I was able to pull the prior deeds and signatures weren't matching the executed contract.
So after turning information over to the police, we asked Angela if an arrest was made.
No, they couldn't even track the guy.
A problem the Lee County Clerk of Court says they hope will be changed with this pilot program over the next 2 years. A good start for people like Angela.
I think it could deter possible fraudsters, from doing that. I don't think it's a solution per se.
But a project that Carnes says has room to make a real impact.
I think that there's a lot of opportunity for improvement here. People work really hard for their homes. They build memories there. And I think it's important for local government to make sure that we're protecting your most valuable asset.
In Lee County, Colton Chavez, Fox 4.